Okay, everybody, I'm going to do a dirty pour in a big old bottle, or bottle, but not bottle, a big old, what's this thing called? Cup. Gosh, I am tired tonight. And some of my paints have treadmill silicone in and some do not. It's get rid of paint leak here in my house, so you will see all different colors. Got lots of great cell action. Makes me happy. Alright, y'all, so I'm having trouble deciding what to do here. If I want to move it and then airbrush it. If I want to just move it a little and let more cells develop, like are coming in down here, that I kind of love. Really love that blue. I could do without this, even though it has some nice gold in it. We're just gonna move it around. I'm gonna get rid of this bottom here. I also am loving this. Take it off this bottom corner. Okay, and then back. I'm fine with even leaving some of the beige background on. I do like that bottom right corner here, but I might have to go. It just might have to go. I'll take it back down there. And I'll set it down for a minute so I can look and see what I have. I like those cells coming up there a lot. Really liking it. Kinda don't want to lose it. Just gonna wipe my hands off while I'm looking at this. Haven't done a straight up dirty pour like that, and you know, that wasn't a flip cup in ages. I like it. But I don't love it. Oh, what to do. I could do without this red here that I'm currently taking off the edge. I take that down there. And we're just gonna, oops, excuse me, set that back down a minute. Really like that. I really like the purple and the blue and green there. Dig it. I feel I need to bring it back this way a little. Or do I? I don't know. I just don't know, people. This is when doing lives would be helpful. I'm going to take it off this side. And then I'm going to take it down there. Let me bring it back a little bit. That beige going through it is pretty neat. I see some gold as well, because I know I put gold in there and I see it. Alright, I'm going to take my gloves off a minute. I don't see any mud, so that's a good thing. The truth will be when it dries, you know. Just gonna looking down it, make sure nothing's in it. Like the last a couple of videos ago, I had something in my paint and I didn't see it till after the video. I got it out, thankfully, but I think I'm just gonna leave that the way it is, and same with the ends there, because I think they're gonna feather out. I'll take you down for a look. So here's the top of my dirty pour, and I'm liking all the subtle action there. It's pretty cool. I dig it. Really dig that. Just all those colors together, like I would take a picture right there, which I probably will. I like all this gold down in here, if you can see that. Yeah, so I'm pretty pleased with that. Just want to thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate if you subscribe and watch my videos. It's a lot of fun and I'm so happy to share it with you. So yeah, that's going to be my last 12 by 24 for a while. I kind of had a bunch I needed to use up and use up some paints. And yeah, I'm very happy. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.